Welcome everyone to Frosted Channel. I keep wanting to say tech or gaming. Anyways guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just moved into this new place. A lot of work been done. Let me tilt the camera a little bit because it looks like it's a little tilted. So I just wanted to share with you guys that I moved into my girlfriend and I purchased a house and we're moved into it now. And it's a mess. So as you can tell behind me, you know I'm pretty clean when it comes to cable management and things like that. So I'm going to take you guys through that real quick. The office here, it's a 15 by 14 foot office. I mean, it's freaking huge, first of all. And I hung my TV too high. As you guys can see, it's like, I don't know, 4 inches above the monitors. I don't like that. But it's gonna have to do, I guess. If you want to be the top setup on the internet, you know, you gotta not cut corners. You know, I measured a little bit too high. My bad. I might move it down still. I don't know. But anyways, guys, wires everywhere. I just wanted to get set up so I can give you guys a video for Saturday. So A+ for dedication, right? But anyways, guys, I'm gonna take you on a tour of this room. Not the whole house yet, because the whole house has got boxes everywhere and we haven't unpacked everything. I still have to buy a water heater. What else? I ordered carpet for this room, so in about 2 weeks, I might even take, if you guys want to see the carpet installation, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. But the carpet that I chose is like gray and white Berber carpet, so it's like really short so I don't mess it up with my office chair, you know what I mean? I was going to do laminate flooring, but the floor is just a little uneven, so I think carpet would work a lot better. And it has padding already on the back of it. So anyways, I'll show you guys around the room a little bit. It's not a sight for sore eyes. It'll probably make your eyes a little bit more sore. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a look around. But okay, so so here's the cable management as we have it now. Not very pleasant. Not very pleasant at all. We've got a thing of paint right down here. Not cool, not cool. Some boxes of stuff. At least the cable management in my, let me flip my camera around here. At least the cable management in my PC is actually decent. So, let's see, get a better view there. That's always been good. But, I mean, behind the computer, I mean, everything is just horrible right now. It's just horrid. The lighting is horrible in here. I'm gonna have to get everything done. There's my drill I've been using. The Xbox One X, the PS4 Pro, and the 1 gig internet that we have hooked up here. I mean, everything is here. I just need to cable managementize it, whatever you want to call it. I'm probably sounding a little echoey because I'm behind the camera right now. But I mean, yeah, this is where this big office thing was. So for some reason, there's a big outlet up in the wall right there. It's not even hooked up. It doesn't even work. I know that because I touched it and I didn't shock myself. So I even licked my finger just to make sure. But there's another outlet right behind that board right there. That one's not even hooked up. There's not even an outlet in there. So I have a little bit of work to do. We'll put it that way. Anyways, there was a desk unit right there and a desk unit right there. A big shelf going across it. And then it went like, let's zoom up a little bit. It went like this high on the wall. Like up like 6 inches from the top of the wall. It was like a big grand shelf unit. And I ripped all that out, and it is currently sitting outside. Yeah, you probably can't see it because it's dark. But anyways, guys, let's flip the camera back around here. So anyways, that's pretty much what I'm dealing with right now. So I have a lot of work to do. Guys, stick around. I'll give you a room tour soon. Once I get the carpet in, it's going to be a couple weeks. I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on. So yeah, I'm pretty busy right now. I have to balance work and fixing this place up and doing, you know, just minor things. But anyways, guys, if you guys want to stick around for the journey, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell notification anytime you want to see videos from me when they pop up. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Stay frosty.